What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here. Today, we got a lot of stuff going on. We got a camera review, so I am reviewing the Insta One X2. And I am also looking at the Insta One R. We are doing a little ride here in the mountains of LA again, because I love this place. Now we're gonna check out both cameras. Let's drive and let's ride. It's really windy. I'm actually doing a camera comparison today between two Insta cameras. I need to do video, I need to do the race, so I'm trying to do it both at once. So we'll try both. It's crazy windy.
Alright guys, let's check out some ride footage while we talk about these cameras from Insta360. We're riding at one of my favorite spots in the mountains, and we're going to switch back and forth between the two cameras. Let's start talking about the specs of these cameras and the available lenses. Starting with the 360 degree mode, both cameras can shoot in 5.7K 30 FPS, which is pretty standard for this generation of 360 degree cameras. They both have touchscreens and similar interactions. Each one has a power and record button that you use in similar ways. They both have voice control. They both feature flow state stabilization, which allows you to stabilize the 360 degree content. We're using it in this video. In 360 mode, both cameras have horizon lock, and they can both use the invisible selfie stick feature. This just means there's no selfie stick in the picture due to stitching. A lot of PEV riders use this to capture themselves without the annoying selfie stick in the way. The Insta GPS Smart Remote also looks like a really great way to record ride stats and speed. I didn't get that yet, but I'm looking forward to trying it out in the future and doing some speed runs on the round with it. The One X2 has 360 degree audio with 4 microphones, while the One R has a 3.5mm microphone adapter along with AirPod connection. This will allow you to use a premium microphone while listening to the audio on AirPods. That's a pretty pro feature for an action camera. They claim both cameras are waterproof, 5 meters for the One R and 10 meters for the One X2. The One X2 comes with a fairly large stock battery at 1,630 mAh. The One R stock battery is 1,190, although you can buy the boosted battery, which is going to give you twice the battery at 2,380 mAh. That is a pretty impressive battery size for an action camera, and I love how the boosted battery pack comes with a built-in action cam mount. This means you don't need to use the stock One R camera case, and I really like how integrated everything is. It makes getting to all the camera features much easier if you don't have to remove and reinstall the casing. One thing that's really cool about the modular One R is that you can swap the lens out. For example, you can take the 360 degree dual lens out and instead use a lens that they developed in partnership with Leica. This is going to give you a high quality 19 megapixel camera with a 1-inch sensor. This is one of the largest sensor sizes for an action camera. The 5.3K footage is sharp and works well in low light conditions. Buttery smooth 4K at 60 FPS or slow-mo at 1080p 120 FPS is possible.
Alright guys, we are in the middle of the ride. I've been using the One R with the 360 camera, but I want to switch the Leica lens, so I'm going to see what it's like to switch this 360 to this lens during the ride. Since we're riding, I've got these big motion gloves on, so I'm going to see what it's like. If I can put the notch here, I can slide over. I do with gloves on. You just put it back on the base. Oh yeah, piece of cake. So pretty easy to do during the ride. Take notice of gloves. All right, let's keep on riding.
Prices change often, and both of them are currently on sale for the low $400 US mark. Let's go back in time and check out the unboxing of these cameras. The Insta One X2 bundle we got comes with a 32GB SD card, which will promptly stash and instead use a much larger one. After you manage to open up the thick box, you're presented with a camera. Very nice. An inner compartment comes with a bunch of manuals, some stickers, a cleaning cloth, USB cable, and a case for the camera. You can also get their telescoping invisible selfie stick, which is also really light and one of my favorite selfie sticks. It's got a standard 1/4-inch screw on the end, and you can screw it into the One X2. There is a similar box for the One R. Once you manage to get enough air into it to open it up, you're presented with the assembled camera. In my case, it came with the Leica lens. A nice sticker tells you not to drop it into fire. This is generally good advice for any electronics or valuables. Again, lots of manuals, stickers, cleaning cloths, a selfie stick adapter, USB cable, and a mounting case. The boosted battery base also warns you to not drop it into fire, and attaches to the 1R components quite easily. I believe this base is necessary with Leica mod, as you can't quite easily get it into the mounting bracket without it. The Ultimate kit will also come with a dual 360-degree lens separately, and you can protect the dual lens with a nice rubber lens protector. So in conclusion, both are really great action cameras. The One X2 is easy to use and requires less storage than something like the 1R with all of its modular parts. I'd say that hobbyists are going to enjoy the One X2 more, while enthusiasts would probably enjoy the 1R. The 1R is a nice platform that will allow you to upgrade various parts of it to make it yours. And possibly, you'll be able to upgrade and reuse these parts over time. That's all we got for this episode on these action cameras. We're new to these cameras and we had to get this video out quickly, so we didn't spend a ton of time on it. We learned a lot about these cameras and apologize for any quality issues. Lots more videos on cameras and electric vehicles coming soon. Please give us a like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.